Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create vanilla gift card account. So if you also want to create vanilla gift card account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in www.vanillagift.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Vanilla Gift. From here you'll be able to create vanilla gift card for yourself. You'll be able to find several options in this interface. At the top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Vanilla Gift. From here you'll be able to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, from here you'll be able to create an account for yourself. So in order to create an account, what you have to do is click on the option create an account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create vanilla gift card account. All you have to do is enter these informations that you can see right over here on your screen. You'll have to enter your personal information over here. You'll have to enter your first name and last name. Simply enter your first name. After that, enter your last name. If you want to sign up for newsletter, check on this box sign up for newsletter. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your sign-in information. All you have to do is enter your email and create a password for yourself. Simply enter your email. Now after you enter your email, what you have to do is enter your password. Create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must be equal or greater than 8 characters and must contain one letter and one number. Simply create a very strong password. You can also see the password strength over here. Now what you have to do is confirm your password. Simply re-enter your password. Now after you enter your password, what you have to do is check on this box I am human. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option create an account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here your account will easily be created. So that is how you create vanilla gift card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.